Active Instagram users have demonstrated the productivity of this social network. This one in particular has been continuously awarding new features to help brands interact with their audience. That's why it's important to schedule Instagram posts in advance. Using an Instagram publishing programmer doubles efficiency. For this, you can use the API application, which is especially designed to program publications from this network. Once you download it, you log in with Instagram, type your username and passwords. On the main screen, click on the programming button located at the bottom. Will open a window with all the options to program a photo, stories, videos, or even a mass publication. If you click on Galleria, will open the folder where you have all your photos. Select one or more, then press Next. Now you can set a filter. Also appears an icon of a pencil that allows you to add stickers or texts. When you finish, again press Next. You will move to a full screen to add data like captions, tags, or location too. You can set up first comment to be published automatically. Finally, choose the day and time you want to schedule the publication. It can be manual or you can follow the recommendations of the application of the best times to publish. Similarly, you can make a publication and schedule a removal hour.